Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Eric here with Memphis Wood Fire Grills. Today I'm going to show you how to connect the grill to a home Wi-Fi network. The first step would be to download the Memphis 3 app if you're going to be connecting any of the ITC3 grills to your network. The first step would be to come to the main display, press settings, press Wi-Fi, and then connect to Wi-Fi. Wanted to tell you that the grills only connect to a 2.4 gigahertz network. Once you've connected, press the connect to Wi-Fi, you come to the app to log in. The first step is to select the provision grill menu option. From here, it's going to pull up a list of available Wi-Fi networks that you can connect to. Find the one you want by selecting the network, and then you would type your password in. And press done, and then press connect. From here, you're going to be giving a Bluetooth pairing code. That code can be found on the main display assembly. To make it easy, it's simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you press pair. Once you get the provision successful option, press OK. Setup's complete.